In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Shrek in GTA 5. As you can see, this is the Shrek mod, so you can basically uh, play with this skin just like the normal GTA, like other normal skins. And this one, like, is just a very funny skin and a very hilarious one. So you can see here the animation is very hilarious and funny. His head is just poking out of the car, and let me show you what it looks like. So it's a very nice mod. So I'm gonna start showing you how to download this mod. So let's start. Okay, so to start off, you need to open a Google Chrome. So I have Google Chrome opened here, and let's type in Shrek GTA 5 mods. Now you need to choose this one, the one that says Shrek add-on ped 1.0, and just download this one. After that, go and type in add-on ped 3.0.1, and you need to go to this website, Moodland, and just download this one. Wait for the download link. Then go to here and type in scripthookv.net. Then go down and go to the second one and find the one that says 2.10.5. This is the one, and download this one. Now type in scripthookv and go to this website and go down and click download. Then type in native UI and go to this website and download this one, and then open IV, type in OpenIV and go to this website and download this one, and that should be it. So now you need to open the GTA 5 folder. So if you go to manage and then under installations, you will be able to open the GTA 5 folders. So I'm gonna open the downloads here. This is the downloads, and this is the GTA 5 folder. So first of all, we're gonna start with scripthookv.net. Open it up and just copy this one, and this one. Copy them and just paste them inside of your GTA 5 folder. And then go to scripthookv bin and copy this one, and all of these, and copy them and paste them here. And then go back, and what you need to do here is create a scripts folder inside of your GTA 5 folder. So go to new and folder and just name it scripts, just like this one. As you can see, I already have one, so I don't need to create one. I already have it. So after you create a scripts folder, open it and just go to this one, the native UI, and copy both of these and just paste them here. And then you can just go back now. Now you need to install your OpenIV. So click the installer, continue, accept the agreement, continue, and yes. So after it's installed, you will be able to see it on your desktop over here. As you can see, let me open it. So once you open it the first time, it's gonna ask you for the location of your GTA 5 folder, and this is the location is over here. Just copy it and go to browse and just paste it here. Paste. So you should be able to just paste it and then select folder, then continue, then continue. So after you have it open right here, you can just close it, because actually before you close it, go to tools and go to ASI manager and make sure you download you make sure you install these plugins here. So install this one, and this one. I already installed, so it says installed. So once you do this, you can just close it now. So now you go to this folder and just extract these folders, extract these files. So now it's extracted. This is the one. So here what you need to do is first of all copy this folder and this one and just paste them inside of your GTA 5 folder. And then you wanna go to scripts, copy this one, and paste it inside of the scripts folder. After that, go for the DLC packs here. So here what you need to do is, before you do anything, you're gonna find a mods folder here. If you don't have it, you can just create one. So you can create it by just going new folder and then create a new folder and name it mods. But I think you should already have this mods folder. So inside of mods, go inside and go inside update, and you should be able to see x64. If you don't see x64, just create it, like click new and folder and create a folder and call it x64. And here the same thing, if you don't see DLC packs, create new and folder and name it DLC packs. So after you do this, you should be able to just have this folder here. So what you need to do now is just go inside of this folder, and you wanna copy this and just paste it over here. So as you can see, I already have it here because I already downloaded the mod. So once you do this, once you finish this, you can just go back now here and just go back here. So here it says let's see, so you're gonna need to change the log. So let's open the OpenIV here, go to GTA 5. So here you're gonna go, so once you're in this folder, you wanna click edit mode and click yes, then go to update x64. Actually no, not x64, go to update and then go to update.rpf, then click show in mods. Sometimes it will say copy in mods, but it's the same thing. Just click it and go to common and then data, and here you're gonna go down and you're gonna see DLC list.xml. Right click, edit, and here you're gonna go down all the way and you're gonna copy one of these, copy them like this, and then hit enter and paste it here. So what you're gonna do is simply, like normally this is what it would look like. You're gonna do like this, copy and then paste it, and you're gonna just remove this name and just type in add-on peds. So this is what you're gonna type in. So add-on peds, and then you're gonna click save. So after this, you can just go back here. Let's go back here. So after you do this, now you can just shift this, like just move this on the side, so you can see this downloads folder. So we're finished with this folder. Just go to the Shrek folder now. Just extract it like this, and then now you're gonna have this folder here extracted. So what you're gonna do now is, inside of this OpenIV folder, go to update x64 DLC packs, add-on pads DLC, and just show in mods. Sometimes it will say copy in something, copy, like just click on copy or whatever, and then you want to go to pads, and then here inside of this folder you want to copy this one. You want to actually just copy and drag it. Note that you're gonna have to have edit mod just enabled like this for you to be able to copy and just paste it. So these folders, just make sure copy and put them here, and that's all. So after this, you can just close this down and just close this down. So we are finished with pretty much all the folders here. So inside of your GTA 5 folder, go down and you will be able to see add-on peds. So right click and run as administrator. So here you're not gonna have this one because I already have it. So normally yours would look similar to this. So you would click peds and then new ped, and the model name, it will have to be the same as the skin name. So if you have, let's say, in your Shrek folder, here it says Shrek, so it's gonna have to be the same thing. So if you just copy this name Shrek, paste it here, it will be the correct way. So you have to name it the same way as it's named here, Shrek. So after this, choose male for the ped type and choose here false, add ped, and then select Shrek and rebuild. After this, you're pretty much done here with the mod. Now before you launch your GTA 5, make sure you have launch options turned on and no battle eye written down, so it doesn't like affect your game. So after you do this, you can just launch the game now. So after you launch your game, to activate the mod, just press L and you're gonna see this ped selector open up. So click enter and you will find Shrek, and just click escape to remove it. And now you have the Shrek mod, as you can see. So let me show you what it looks like when it's riding a car, or this car here. Looks huge. So it's pulling someone out here, and there it is. Like Shrek is going mad here. So yeah, like if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more mods and more skins in GTA 5, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and that's it.